Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be making double beef hamburger. So let's get right into the video. So for my ingredients, I have all the ingredients I used in the caption below, so you can just look through it and you would see the ingredients I used for this recipe. So guys, let's get into making our juicy double hamburger. Our sauce is already ready, guys. Can you see? And it tastes so nice, guys. You can use this sauce for your shawarma or your burger, however way you want. Even for your salads as well, you can use this sauce. So for our burger, I got like a fresh burger bun, and I call it bread anyways. So I'm just going to slice this into two and get ready to toast it on a pan. So in a pan, I'm just going to add some oil, and then I will put my burger buns on them and let it toast for about a minute, 2 minutes on both sides. And after that, guys, our burger buns is ready. You can see that our burger buns is ready. I'm just going to add in some more oil, and I will then pan fry my beef. So yeah, I'm just going to pan fry two beefs, or approximately three or so. So yeah, I am just going to add the beef to the oil and I will let it fry. Guys, so our beef is ready on one side. I'm just going to flip this to the other side and let it fry for about 5 minutes or less or more, depending on what you want. So for our beef, I seasoned my beef with some onion, garlic, seasoning cube, and some salt. So yes, so I just kept the seasoning of my beef very simple. So after that, guys, our beef is almost ready. Yeah, it's almost ready. So let's just let it cook a bit. Guys, beef is ready now, so I'm just going to add some cheese, and I'm using some cheddar cheese. So I just turned off the burner, and I'm just going to let the steam melt the cheese a little bit. So now, guys, our burger bun is ready. I'm just going to spread some of the sauce we made earlier on it on both sides of the bread, and I will also add my veggies to it. And for my veggies, I'm using some lettuce. I just added some lettuce on it. I'm going to add some tomatoes, sliced tomatoes, and also sliced onion to it. And then I will put my fried beef on the burger, and I will also spread some sauce on it. Like I said, I wanted my burger to be juicy, so I'm just going to spread some sauce to it and also add some more veggies since we're making a double beef burger. So I added some more lettuce, tomatoes, onion, and then our final beef on it. And I will spread some more sauce on it again, guys. My burger was about to fall, so I had to help it stay standing. So yeah, I've done that. I'm just going to cover it up with the other side of the bun, and I will use like a suya stick to support the burger. So guys, our burger is ready and it looks juicy and nice. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.